In this video, we'll show how to measure U value on site using the UVAL wireless kit from Greenteg. Keep an indoor-outdoor temperature difference of at least 5 degrees Celsius. Record for at least 72 hours and check that the U value change over the last 24 hours is 5% or less. If conditions are unstable, extend the measurement. Inside the case, you'll find everything needed for an in situ U value measurement. Lay the parts out on a clean surface, so setup is quick and error-free. This is the interior location for the test. Choose a representative wall area. Avoid frames, radiators, vents, and direct sunlight. A clean, flat surface gives the best contact. These are the indoor sensors used on the interior surface next to the test point. Handle them carefully and keep the contact face dust-free. Good contact quality improves accuracy and stability. Apply the supplied adhesive tape to the sensor contact area. Press evenly to remove air gaps and avoid wrinkles or bubbles. Replace the tape if adhesion is weak or contaminated. Mount the interior heat flux sensor at the chosen point. Press gently but firmly to ensure full contact, then route the cable without strain. Keep the sensor clear of frames and edges. Check that the sensor sits flat on a clean, dry area and keep sufficient distance from the window frame. Avoid partial contact or gaps. Good mounting helps the signal stabilize faster. Now identify the matching exterior spot, aligned with the interior test point. Choose a place sheltered from rain and direct sun when possible. Make sure cable routing is safe and secure. These are the external sensors placed outside at the same location. Keep the contact surface clean and dry. Prepare weather tape or shielding if needed. Use thermal paste or putty only if the surface is very rough and tape alone can't make good contact. Apply a thin, even layer. More is not better. On smooth surfaces, tape by itself is the recommended option. Fix the external sensor firmly on the outer surface. Protect it from rain and direct sunlight, and secure the cable so it cannot move. Recheck that its position matches the interior point. Confirm flat contact, secure the cable, and avoid the frame or other thermal bridges. From the manuals and software page, download and install the analysis software for your operating system. Use the latest version for compatibility and features. Keep the user manual handy for reference. Connect the base station to your PC using the USB cable and keep it charging during use. The battery lasts about 2 days, but powering it ensures uninterrupted operation. Place the base station where the wireless nodes have a reliable link. In the software, open configuration and enter the serial numbers of your nodes to pair them correctly. If you want cloud sync, enter the Wi-Fi details and confirm connection. When ready, click Write to send the configuration and begin logging. A steady blue LED indicates the logger is actively recording. If it isn't steady, recheck power and configuration. Once confirmed, let the system record for the planned duration. When your measurement window is complete, open the file menu and select Stop. Wait a moment for the software to finalize the record. You can now move on to analysis. Open the Read Record section to review your run. Check that the signals look stable and continuous. If needed, trim the time window to exclude obvious disturbances. Select the indoor and outdoor nodes that belong to the test point, then choose the time span you want to analyze. Generate the final report to see the calculated U value and the ISO 9869 convergence checks. If the result is not yet stable, extend the measurement, or adjust the analysed window. To learn more, visit our landing page info.greenteg.com/building.